Dad, I feel excited today
Why, Lily?
because I want to learn something new.
Good. Today, we will go to the museum.
Wow, that sounds amazing!
Dad, what is a museum?
A museum is a place to learn about history, science, and art.
Wow! So I can learn many things?
Yes, many wonderful things.
Dad, do you like museums?
Yes, I love learning new things.
Me too!
Learning makes us strong.
Wow, the building is very big.
Yes, big buildings hold big stories.
I want to go inside now.
Let's go.
Dad, this dinosaur is huge.
Yes, dinosaurs lived millions of years ago.
Wow, is that a real dinosaur?
It sure is. It's a brachiosaurus.
So cool. Can we see more? So they lived before people?
Yes, long before people.
Dad, I see a whale.
Yes, whales are the largest animals in the ocean.
They look peaceful.
Yes, nature is beautiful.
Dad, what is that big blue ball?
That is Earth. It is our home.
I love our planet.
Me too.
Dad, this painting makes me happy.
Art shows feelings and ideas.
I like happy art.
That is wonderful.
These clothes look very old.
Yes, people wore them long ago.
Life was different then.
Yes, but people still loved family.
Dad, that robot can move.
Yes, technology helps people.
I want to build a robot one day.
You can.
Dad, what is inside our body?
We have a heart, lungs, and brain.
My body is amazing.
Yes, it is.
Dad, who built these pyramids?
People in Egypt built them long ago.
They worked very hard.
Yes, they did.
Dad, I want to come again.
We will.
I want to learn more.
And you will.
Dad, thank you for today.
You're welcome, Lily.
Today was special.
Yes, learning together is special.
Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. See you next video. Bye-bye.